This phone might look exactly like Lumia phones, but it's not. And it's not even running on Windows OS. Even the packaging looks very similar and identical, but it's not the same. I'll show you the unboxing video of this phone. Then we can see more about this device. This phone is very interesting, but like always, it's not rare. It was heavy. You can see. Just now I opened the seal. The phone is in a great condition. This is the phone, which is in black color. In the box we get a charger, battery and earphones with a quick start guide. The phone didn't turn on right away. I had to charge it for 5 minutes and it took very long time to power on. And when it comes to setting up the device, it only took less than 10 seconds. Full detailed video will come in 2 or 3 days. You can wait for it.